How to save photos from PDF. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you two methods that you can use as per your requirements. So guys, let's start the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so first let me talk about first method. The first method, just open your PDF file on your device. Okay, this is your device, and now what you need to do, you need to here come to the image. Okay, if I uh, want to save this image from PDF, so I can do one thing. Okay, this PDF file has opened in PDF only, so you need to open this file into browser. So I'm using the Chrome browser. This browser has been opened. Okay, now what you can do, hit the window plus shift plus S. Okay, this toolbar will be come up, or you can simply go here search bar and search for snipping tools. Okay, just type for snipping tools, it will become here, or you can enter your print that key on your keyboard and just hit that, then this tool will be come up. Okay, now just select that, and now you need to select that image by selecting this selecting tools. Okay, you need to just click your mouse button and drag it and select it, your image. Now it's selected. Now you can do one thing, you can copy this image in any in any image enable source, like in Microsoft Word, in Paint, or you can simply copy paste this image in your WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll show you. In window you can go to the Paint, just open the Paint and just paste this, copy paste, just hit the Ctrl plus V, it will be, the image will be pasted here. Now just click on that canvas and just decrease the size as your image. Okay, now you can save it as an image in your device. Okay, and you can also find this image in your device also, in device only. When you select that image like this, okay, when you select any image like this will be copy in your device. So where you can select, where you can find it, you need to go in picture in your device. I will show you. Okay, come to your file manager, and here you can see the picture option, just select that, and here you can see the screenshot option, and here you can see that all picture you selected and save in selected on from your PDF. Okay, so this is the first method. So I'll show you this next step. Come to your browser. You can do this from your mobile also, if you are using mobile. So this step you can it will be help on the mobile device also. Okay, so just type here PDF to image, then this all source will be come up. Now you can use any source, but I personally use this one. Okay, now you need to select that PDF file, just click choose file. Now I need to select that file. The file has been selected and now it's working. Okay, it's converting entire page or extra image only. Save page in PDF as an image. Okay, just convert it. Let's see. It's converting. In this process you will see the all JPG file here. Okay, now you can download one by one, or you can download all image in one zip file from here, or can download one by one. Okay, this is my image. Let me show you. Now you can see this image has been, this page has been come extract from PDF. Okay, this is the second method you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.